Okay, children, stop doing your language work now. Be ready with your, take out your maths book, page 41. Quickly. Stop doing your language work because I have closed the group. You have to send it to me in the group only. So you will send this work to me afterwards, not just now. Page 41. Let us see. We had learned addition with addition on fingers. Now today we'll learn subtraction by. Oh, you all can't hear me. Wait. Can you all hear me now, children? Children, please put away your language copy because now you will send me the work after the classes are over. Right now you are going to do your maths work. Page 41. We have already learnt addition by finger counting. Now we are going to learn subtraction by finger counting. Page 41. Quickly. Excuse me. Let us see what is. Let us take out 8 fingers first, children. All of you take out 8 fingers. All of you take out 8 fingers. Now, let us take away 3 from 8. 8 में से 3 निकालना है. So we will take away 3 fingers. 8 minus 3 is 5. Right. Similarly, take out. Let us have 5 minus 2. So we have 5 fingers. We take away 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 3 are left. So, please pick up your pencil, children. Akshay Gupta, the first one. 6 minus 5. Give me the answer quickly. Akshay Gupta, 6 minus 5. Show me 6 fingers, Akshay. Akshay Gupta, show me 6 fingers.
Page number.
Check your WhatsApp, it's page number 41. 6 fingers. Take away 5 from 6.
Page number.
Why are you counting till 10, Akshay? तुम्हें सिर्फ 6 fingers निकालनी है. Akshay, give me the answer first. Akshay, give me the answer first. 6 minus 5 is 6 minus 5 is 1. Right. Please write 1. Vidushi, 8 minus 2. Show me 8 fingers and then subtract 2 from them.
Okay. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6.
Vidushi, 8 minus 2
is equal to 6.
Very good. But show me 8 fingers first. Yes, minus 2. Very good. Cut. Okay, good. Veronica, 9 minus 4.
9 minus 4.
Show me 9 fingers first, Veronica. Yes. Minus 4. Very good. 9 minus 4 is 5. Good. Naima, 10 minus 5. Naima, 10 minus 5. Show me 10 fingers first. Naima, show me 10 fingers, please.
Ma'am, 4.
Naima, show me 10 fingers first. मुझे 10 fingers दिखाओ.
Ma'am, 5.
No, show me 10 fingers first and will you please move out, whoever is in the room with her. Show me 10 fingers, Naima. Naima, मुझे नाइमा मुझे अपने 10 fingers दिखाओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Please repeat the
I am
question.
repeating again and again बेटा. Show me 10 fingers. मुझे अपनी 10 उंगलियां दिखाओ स्क्रीन पे. Okay, now take away 5 from them. इसमें से 5 fingers हटा दो. कितनी बची?
5.
हाँ, you do not pay attention because तुम्हारे कमरे में कोई ना कोई होता है and you get distracted. It is such a simple sum. Come on, write 5 over there, all of you children. Naima, please write.
Okay, ma'am.
Yatharth, where are you? Yatharth Shukla. Okay, the next one, Yatharth. Show me 4 fingers. 4 minus 1.
3.
Show me 4 fingers first, child. Good. Take away 1. Take away 1. क्या कर रहे हो यथार्थ तुम? 4 ये होता है यथार्थ. 4 में से 1 चला गया, कितना बचा? You are giving the correct answer, but you are showing the wrong thing. 3, right?
3, ma'am.
Yes, right. The answer is 3. Write 3 over there. Nabiya, where are you? Nabiya, 7 minus 6. Show me 7 fingers first. Okay, minus 6. 7 minus 6. 6 fingers minus कर दो इसमें से. Very good. 1. You followed the instruction perfectly. Good. Okay. Ekagra. 5 minus 3. I don't want the answer. Show me 5 fingers first. Take 5 fingers. Ekagra. 5 fingers. Minus 3. Minus 3 Ekagra. How many are left? 5 minus 3, 5 are left Ekagra.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 3, 5 are left. मुझे पूरे स्क्रीन पे अपनी 5 फिंगर्स दिखाओ Ekagra. Okay, now subtract 3 from them. Minus 3 from this 5. 3 fingers हटा दो. How many left?
Ma'am, 2.
Correct. So write 2 over there. Havira.
5.
6 minus 2. 6 fingers I want to see, child.
Ma'am, touching is 5.
Havira, 6 minus 2.
Ma'am, 6.
6 and now minus 2 from them. 6 में से 2 निकालो Havira. Move 2 fingers.
2.
Okay, 4. Very good. Right. Abdullah,
Yes, ma'am.
10 minus 6. Show me 10 fingers, please. Abdullah, 10 fingers. Now subtract 6 from them. 6 fingers हटा दो वहां से.
Ma'am, 4.
Very good, Abdullah. You also followed the instructions absolutely correctly. Write 4 in the box, children. Okay. Turn the page, children. Turn the page. जैसे एडिशन करा था अक्रॉस एंड डाउन, we know how to subtract across, right? So now let us learn subtracting down. Now look at the example on page 42, children. Look at the example on page 42. Subtracting down, we can subtract in 2 ways. हमने 2 तरीके से subtract करना सीखेंगे. 6 minus 3. 6 marbles are made over there. There are 6 marbles made over there. 6 minus 3. You subtract 3. आप उसमें से 3 marbles निकाल देते हैं. So only 3 are left over there.
कर दो.
9 finger.
हाँ, ये कितनी फिंगर है?
एक आग, please switch off your mic. एक आग, please switch off your mic.
सॉरी मैम.
This is the example given in your book. Similarly, if I have to subtract 7 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I will subtract 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, let us subtract by drawing strokes. जैसे हमने ऐड करना सीखा था वैसे ही अब हम subtract करना सीखेंगे strokes बनाकर. So let us see the example in drawing strokes. Five minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to subtract 4. Only 1 is left. Let us do the next one. 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do this exercise, children. Do this exercise in the book quickly.
I go to washroom.
I can't hear you, child. I'm changing the settings of the group.
Ma'am,
As soon as you finish this, please send me page 42 in the group. Only page 42.
मैम आई एम
Send it.
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर बोल रही है
Page 42.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आई गो टू वॉशरूम
Yes, please go.
may I drink water
Yes.
मैम
Send,
Ma'am.
send, beta, send.
send me work
Send me the work. I have changed the setting of the group. You can send me the work. नबिहा बेटा उनको क्रॉस आउट तो करो स्ट्रोक्स को. नबिहा क्रॉस आउट द स्ट्रोक्स प्लीज. In the book, child, in the book.
मैम ओके
Done. Send it to me, please.